We're at Marion Bay. The old timber bridge over Sedgebury Creek has now reached the end of its life. As a result, Council decided to research the options for replacing that bridge, particularly in relation to the difficult site we've got. It's environmentally very sensitive. It's a very narrow working site. There is no bypass for the Marion Bay, so the residents have to come through this bridge and this road. We have other features that we had to be considered, including power lines over the top. So after some time of research, we found a bridge in Australia called the Unibridge, and it's a modular type bridge made out of box girders. The advantage of it can be placed very quickly into the site itself. It's very cost effective compared to other contemporary bridges, and it had that versatility that I mentioned, particularly in relation to the time frame, and that was important to us. So we had disrupted the residents of Marion Bay to the littlest possible we could, and that's been working reasonably well. The actual total works on the bridge site took about a week and a half, of which time we were able to keep the bridge open both for vehicles and pedestrian traffic with some short delays. To achieve the final works, demolition of the old timber bridge, the bridge had to be actually closed to traffic last night and the night before, so only 2 nights, and be reopened as a vehicle bridge late this afternoon. It's hard to say exactly how long it would have taken with a contemporary reinforced concrete bridge, but I would have thought it could possibly be a week, 2 weeks if we had to put piles in, which we probably would have done. That would have been considerable disruption. It would have meant we probably require a bypass road, which was looked at by the consultant and suggested, but that would also create obviously additional cost, but certainly also have an impact on the environment, which we were trying to avoid as much as possible.